Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always and always coming back. Today, I want to talk about a very important issue that I think needs addressing with regards to females. Okay, about females having their own, having their own monies, working for their own monies. So if this is the kind of content that you would love, kindly watch till the very end. And you haven't subscribed and you are watching, kindly do me the honor of subscribing now. Click the subscribe button down there right now. Thank you. Um, as females, okay, we grew up seeing our fathers do it all. And so most of the times in our culture in Africa, especially, most of the times we feel as females, we normally are being prepared for marriage, okay? And so we've been trained all our lives, learn how to cook, learn how to wash, perform certain house or wife duties. And that's all we are trained to do as females or as women growing up. And so we know that we will be married and then go into a man's house to serve as a wife, basically. And so we are not really encouraged or empowered to learn about money and then learn about money and make our own money because we are being trained or oriented to wait for a man to come and marry us and take care of us in our matrimonial home. So we are not very enthused or we are not very encouraged or motivated to even learn about money in the first place. We see money as a man's thing, and so we are not very much interested in it, learning about it in the first place. Talk about actually taking steps or actions to make money. But as a woman, you want to mm, learn about money and make your own money because gone were the days where our forefathers, our great grandfathers told their women to stay at home and they would take care of everything. That dispensation or that era is quite different compared to now because things have changed. We are in a different economic era whereby one salary is never enough. And so if you still have that orientation or that mindset as a female that you are going into a man's house to be married, to be taken care of without contributing anything, that is a recipe for disaster. As a woman, you should have your own. You should be financially literate, learn about money, savings, and investments, ways of making money, venturing into businesses, so that when you finally tie the knot, you have something to bring to the table or to contribute to the family as a unit. So do not sit down waiting for a rich man to come and marry you and into his house and take care of you. Men of today also want women who are capable, who are financial women, women who can contribute something, bring something to the table. And so, as women, we all need to strive for our own financial freedom. We should be assets and not liabilities. A man should not come and date you and then you turn over all your responsibilities on the man. Even in a relationship, it's expected that the man should take care of you, but you were living, you were surviving before you met the man. But you are expecting that the man should take care of you and probably your family members also. And then you see that a lot of men are going through a lot because of this particular orientation of our women or our females, or we not really having anything to do because our husbands will take care of everything. So we hear a lot of stories of men who are so stressed emotionally, psychologically, every facet of life, they are so stressed, so burdened because they probably are the only financiers in the house. But if you're a woman and you're a capable woman, a financial woman is that you are capable of making your own money, you can contribute to help your partner or your husband or your partner too. And so, as women, we need to strive, we need to be empowered, we need to be encouraged and motivated to make our own monies and not wait for a man to come and take care of us. The man will take care of you eventually if you are married to him. But what if things are not going the way you would want to? That's where you become that suitable helper to be able to contribute something to support the man so that the man can have his peace of mind. Marriage should not be a burden whereby the man is expected to do everything. This particular thing is causing the men to age faster than their ages, and they are dying early because they are so stressed, so frustrated. They have the sole responsibility of taking care of the home all by himself without the help of a woman. Some women are not capable of helping because they are not working. Yes, that's the problem. But some too are working, but because probably they saw their fathers do it, or they see that it's the man's job to do it all. And so, although she is capable of contributing financially, would not, because that I saw my father do it all, so my husband should do the same. But it shouldn't be so. So this is to the women out there. The men are also calling out all the women to help, to be that suitable helper for them so that our men can live longer. So do not sit down, cross your leg, especially as a single woman expecting a rich man to come and marry you. The fact that your husband is rich doesn't mean you are rich. You need to get your own. Because there's a different feeling if you are an asset to a man. I mean, a man cannot treat you anyhow because you're an asset, you are not a liability. So let's take that into consideration and then work on our financial education, learn about money, learn about savings and investments. There are lots of videos on this particular channel, so subscribe so that you get notified anytime I upload. Do well to learn about money. It's not only for men. We all use money, whether you're a man or a woman. So let's all get on board and then let's all be financially literate so that we can help each other. Thank you for watching. Do well to check my previous videos and watch out for my next video. It's bye for now.